Alright, so let's work on our game over events. We'll come across a new game over event sheet page. So what we need to do first is click on add event, and so system, type in every tick. Now we need to take the final score text, which we made earlier, click on add action, final score text, set text, and we need to type score. Click done. Now click add event, click on touch. On touch object, we want to select the main menu button. Now add action, system, type in go to. We want to select go to layout and make sure we select the main menu. Basically, when we touch our main menu button here, we will go back to the main menu, which will be this layout right here. Let's go back to our game event sheet. Click on add event, system, select compare variable. We want to make sure that we select the hunger counter variable and make sure that we select less than or equal to 0. Click on add action, click on system, click on go to layout, and go to game over. So basically what this tells us is if our hunger counter timer, which is this timer right here, if it goes to 0 or below, we need to go to the game over menu. So basically when we run out of time, we go to this game over menu here. Let's go ahead and add our music to the game. So we click on add event, go to system, type in on start, type in, no, don't type, select on start of layout, click on action, audio, play, and select music. Make sure looping is set, and we can set our volume to -5, and we can take this event and we can drag it at the beginning. So basically when we start our game, it's going to play our music. The last thing we need to do for this game is make our pause button work. So what we need to do is go back to the game event sheet, go to add event, select touch, select on touch object, pause button, done. Now go to add action, find pause, toggle pause, click on add event, pause, on pause, click on add action, our pause HUD, type in visible, click on set visible, and make sure visible is selected. Now we can take this, we can copy, right click, copy, then on your keyboard press Ctrl V to paste. You can select this or resume and set this to invisible. So when we pause our game, That's the wrong thing. You see our game is paused. Unpause. Pause. Unpause. We are done making our game from scratch. I hope that this tutorial helped you out. In the next video, I will show you how to export to the Android format using a software called Intel XDK. So let's go ahead and play our game and see what it looks like. So while I didn't cover everything, I hope that this tutorial give you some basic input on how to make an Android game quickly and easily. There's so much that you can do with the Construct 2 software that I haven't listed here, and it's wonderful. I've loved this piece of software. I've been using it for the past 3 years now, and I thank the developers of this software, Skira, for creating this wonderful piece of software. And I'm looking forward to their future updates. I know they're going to release Construct 3 in the future, and I'm looking forward to that. So anyway, the next video, like I said, I will show you how to export this game to the Android format, so that way you can play it on your phone, your tablet, and submit it to the Play Store.